Hi everyone, so this is a very quick video showing you how to use the features of Google Sites. To navigate your way around Google Sites is firstly you'll notice that you've got the editing options over here. So everyone will have their individual page. Now to navigate to that page you click on the navigation sidebar and then you pick whichever mine you've been allocated. So we'll start with Kuberpedi for example, and you have complete control over however you want to customize your page. So if you want to change the image, you can upload or select an image. You can actually search. You can add an image by URL. You can search. You can go from your albums. You can click Google Drive. You can also just drop and drag as well, just by dropping and dragging directly into here. Uh, Now, if you wanted to change the header type, it can be a large banner, or title only. That's up to you. Now, as for adding actual information to your web page, the way that I would like you to do that is you double click with a left click, sorry, and it will bring up this little toggle here. So you have the options of text, from Drive, upload, and images. So if you want to include text, you click on that and a text box will come up. Now you can change how big you want this text box to be. You can change the text type, the size, whether it's bold, italic, the alignment. You can add numbers and dot points as well as links. So if you want to insert a link into something, all you would have to do is then highlight that and click link, and then you can put the link in. Now you can copy that URL over from somewhere else and then it will click and take you to somewhere else if you wanted to do that. If you wanted to include an image, again, double click, image, and select an image. And there it is. Now you can move that around. You can change the size, make it smaller or larger. You can actually drop and drag from a folder as well. So if I go back into Science and I go into Images, I can actually drop and drag that image in. And you can see that I now have that image that I can, of course, move around. Now, if I want to click on that, all I have to do is click on it and then click trash, and it will be deleted. Okay, so some of the other features of that is that as you're putting in information, I want you to actually reference where that information comes from. So I'm going to ask you to put in brackets 1 and say you got that information from a URL. I'd like you to click on Edit Footer and I'd like you to put in 1, and then we're going to use the online reference generator to generate where that reference came from. So and there will be another video explaining how to do that. You just need to copy and paste that and look for the video for that on the home page. So if I just quickly go back and navigate out of that, again, just double clicking will take me back there. Now I want to get rid of all of this information because I want this to be a blank slate. So if I go back to the home page, there will be the information sheet which will be linked here, and the video that I've just been talking about is linked here. And it's really up to you how you want to actually include the information. You can include images and you can include section headers, but everyone will have their own assigned mine in which they will be adding information to each week. And everyone will be able to have a look at everyone else's work, which is really great because by the end of it, we'll actually have created our own website, which will be fantastic.